Hi everyone, today is 17 September 2021. Today we discuss about some interview questions about the loop. Firstly, what is the loop? The looping in a program is a feature which have the facility to execute the set of instruction and the functions repeatedly while the given condition of a statement is evaluated to true. If the given condition is true, then the statement in a given loop body will be executed. If the given statement is false, then the statement of the out of the body will be executed. Second is what type of what are the types of loops? There are four types of loop. First is for loop, do while loop, and last is infinite loop. But in a Java, only three loops are in a Java, for the execution only three loops are used: for loop, while loop, and do while loop. What is the difference between while loop and do while loop? In while loop, firstly, in while loop, the given statement will be checked. If the statement is true, then the statement in the given loop body will be executed. If the statement is false, the given body then the statement in a given loop body will be not executed. The out of the loop body statement will be executed. In do while loop, firstly, the only one statement is one time executed, then after the condition will be checked. The while loop, semicolon is cannot be used, but in do while loop semicolon is used. The syntax of while loop is while loop in bracket given condition loop of body, then end of loop. But in do while loop, do in bracket given statement, then executed execute statement will be executed. The statement will be executed and after the condition. Loop is entry control loop, and do while loop is exit control loop. In while loop, one or more time statement will be executed, but do while loop only one time and more time statement will be executed. What is a while loop? While loop is a controlled flow statement. It can allow to execute the bytecode on the basis of given boolean equation. If the equation is true, then while loop will be start and execute the statement inside the loop of body. In a while loop, it is not necessary to use the semicolon. In while loop, the semicolon is optional, but only one statement in a body only one statement in a loop body is executed without the semicolon, but that statement should not be the declare condition. What is a do while loop? What is do while loop? Do while loop is similar as a while loop, but only one condition there. In do while loop, firstly, the statement is executed only one times before the condition check. What is for loop? In a for loop,